Hi, come on in. This is my newest listing, located at 24 Neptune Avenue in Moodus, Connecticut. This is Tracy Hines with Team Gabriel at Coldwell Banker. Come on in and take a look at my newest listing. Two bedrooms with newer vinyl floors and painting, a very young roof and furnace. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy the summers. It's a bungalow style ranch, so super convenient and easy to maintain. Freshly painted interior, vinyl flooring in both of the bedrooms. Two bedrooms with a third in the basement that could be used as a third bedroom. Spacious living room. Hardwood floors. It's located very close to the Salmon River and the Goodspeed Opera House.